Okay, so we're going to take a look at Esprit's machine awareness and how it can help us identify whether or not certain fixturing components on the machine are going to work. The last thing that we want is to load NC code on the machine and find out that we have a stroke limit error or something like that. So here we see a machine. We've got some fixturing built up on it. We've got a vise and a riser. Everything is good. And here we want to go ahead and change out the vise. So we're going to go and just select a slightly different vise, a little bit larger vise. And we can check and make sure that that clamps the workpiece. Of course, it's a larger, so it should. And now we're going to go ahead and change out the different riser to a different riser. This is a barbell style riser from Jergens. And when we say OK, we want to now look at the program view of the linking, and we can see that the riser is too tall for the operations for this machine. And of course, we can change out to a shorter riser to make sure that it's working. Additionally, we can maybe get some shorter tool holding products for the tool and the milling spindle, depending on what those different tool paths are doing. But you can use this to create good programs upstream of the machine so that when you send the NC code to the machine, all of your linking and operations are indicated in Esprit as green as go.